Good morning, students. It is here, Mrs. Tanya, and we are going on with Act 1, Scene 2, and line number that is from 27 to 38. Okay. Now here you will see Nerissa. She says to Portia, when Portia told all these things, that if advice was so easy. So Nerissa says, your father was ever virtuous, and holy men at their death have good inspiration. Now she says, your father was always pious. He was a very pious man, and such good men have inspirations at their death. And this kind of virtuous people, pious people, they are really inspirational. They are regarded as good men. They are inspirational person. Therefore the lottery that he had devised in these three chests of gold, silver and lead, whereof who chooses his meaning chooses you. Now she says, so this lottery means here this casket system, the lottery which he has devised, namely the choice among the three caskets of gold, silver and lead, in which one who makes the correct choice will be won by you. And said, your father has kept this lottery system of three caskets, that is of gold, silver and lead, and whoever will choose the right casket, he will marry you. Will no doubt never be chosen by any rightly, but one who shall rightly love. Now she says, I have no doubt that you will be chosen correctly by a person whom you will truly love. Means this will not be chosen by the right person, but it will be chosen by the person who will rightly or truly love you. Right, like perfect people, right people, good people are many, but it's not necessary those nice people or good people are correct or appropriate for Portia. So Nerissa want to say that not the right person, but the person who rightly loves you will choose the right casket. But what warmth is there in your affection towards any of these princely suitors that are already come? Now Nerissa says, do you have any special love for any one of these princely suitors who have already come? Now what happened? There are 6 suitors who have already there. They have come from different nook and corners to choose the casket. So Nerissa says, now tell me, what about them? Do you like any one of them? Portia says, I pray thee overname them, and as thou names them, I will describe them, and according to my description, level at my affection. Now Portia says, please name them over, and as you do so, I shall comment on them, and according to my comment, you may conclude about my love for them. She says, first you tell me the name, I will comment upon them, and then through my comment you identify whether I love anyone or not. Now this was the conversation. Portia became little bit relaxed after this whole conversation. Now see who are the suitors. There are 6 suitors, the beginning who have been shown. This is, you later on you will see. First is Napoleon Prince, second County Palatine, third French Lord Monsieur Le Bon, fourth Falconbridge, the young Baron of England, fifth Scottish Lord, and sixth the Duke of Saxony nephew. Now these 6 suitors who have come in the beginning to choose the casket. Now Nerissa will name them, Portia will describe them. Okay. Now one thing I want to tell you, when these name Nerissa says, when she says to Portia, she go on describing each one of them, and overall the conclusion come that she did not like any one of them, as all are having some or other imperfection. And later on Nerissa says that already these people are not going to choose the casket. Why? Because they are scared of the oath. Before choosing the casket, there were 3 oaths what each and every suitor has to take. Okay, and after taking that oath only they can go on to the casket room to choose the casket. So these suitors were scared of that, and already they were leaving the palace. They were leaving the place of Portia. And Nerissa, just to check Portia, just to amuse Portia, she told that these suitors are there, and if any one of them choose the right casket, that how you will deny, like you have to marry them. But when Portia became little upset, Nerissa told her that don't worry, they are already leaving the place. No one ready to choose the casket. They are already leaving. And then you will see later on Shakespeare concludes all the thing that actually there were only 4 suitors according to Shakespeare, and 2 of the suitors were added for just for amusement. And after this suitors, 3 main people enter. Later on you will see, that is Prince of Morocco, Prince of Aragon, and finally the main hero, Portia's love beloved, that is Bassanio. So these name you should remember, these 6 suitors, then those 3. These 6 suitors are who? Napoleon Prince, County Palatine, French Lord Montcelybon, Falconbridge, the young Baron of England, Scottish Lord, and the Duke of Saxony nephew. And later on, first Prince of Morocco, second Prince of Aragon, and third are Bassanio, whom Portia loved. These are people come. I hope this much is clear to you. Now about each of these suitors I will explain you in the next lecture. Thank you.